All right, guys, we are heading back to the fab shop right now. I have a couple things that came in. We got the fuel pump that I kind of went over in the last video. We got the oil pressure gauge, flow shift, and we also have a dual wideband gauge that we got for the air-fuel ratio. And today we're gonna be heading up to the shop to look over a couple things, and then also picking up the hood and the bumper to bring them back home and kind of repaint them, make them look a little bit better than they were. Trying to get it ready for next season. So kind of going to be a little bit of that, some short videos like usual, and I'll get you guys when we get to the fab shop. So unfortunately we did not get the hood. We didn't bring the hood home, but we do have the bumpers you can see here, and we have a little bit of a change of plans on where kind of the mounting of the turbos is going to be, which I haven't really got a whole lot into that. I'm kind of waiting until they get them mounted so I can actually show you guys. One of them was mounted previously when I went through, delivered those other parts and went and picked up the bumper. But so we have one of them mounted. There's a couple things that kind of getting in the way of where we're going to do the exhaust exit, so kind of trying to plan around that, figuring out really what we're going to do, finalize the plans a little bit, and then continue forward with that. So that was actually about a week ago when I figured all that out. But in the meantime, we do have our merch order in. We have the Insanity hoodies and t-shirts. So this is the hoodie. We have a black, and we also have a dark gray that we're doing right now. This is the back, and I actually didn't really like the location on this a whole lot, so I do have an updated design that is in the making. I'll probably be able to put up a picture right here. Another part of this video that we're going to be doing is we're prepping this bumper, getting ready for paint, and then we will be getting the hood eventually to get it ready as well, along with most of the rest of the whole car. So see you guys here in just a second. This is the setup. We got the twin 50mm turbos here with the hood exit. We got the intercooler piping to finish up, and running the oil lines, installing the gauges, and finish welding all these pieces for the intercooler, and then it will be complete.